Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is just an impromptu quick live stream. It is what, August 20th, and we just want to reach out and let everybody know that SorbAssist is available. So if you go to the website, you want me to show them up close? Yeah. If you go to the website and go under cleaners and stain removers, you'll now find the SorbAssist page. So we thought we would just do this quick live stream to bring you up to speed with why we created SorbAssist and what it's going to do to enhance your cleaning and stain removal. So first of all, SorbAssist was produced with the thought of OxyPrep in mind. Nobody loves working in an environment where it smells chlorinated. Nobody wants to come home to a job in their own home after the job's finished and have it smell the same way, chlorinated smell. So we needed a product that could mask that odor. Now, not only does it mask that odor, but it leaves just this great fresh fragrance behind, which is made up of just herbals and things of that nature. So it has this clean, fresh fragrance that you and your customers are going to love. Your technicians are going to love to work around. One thing I'm going to warn you of is that technicians, because it's such a pleasant fragrance and because their eyes aren't going to water or anything else when using OxyPrep, they're going to think that they can use less PPE. That's not the case, okay? Just because it smells great and you can't detect the scent of OxyPrep doesn't mean that you'll change your PPE. Now, I will admit, this labeling isn't the best, right? But we've had so much demand after getting a lot of samples out, and if you're viewing this, you've probably gotten a sample yourself already, that we just wanted to go ahead and get it out. So before I show you what we're doing, let me just take you through the other aspects of SorbAssist. So it's going to mask odor. It's also going to add fragrance to anything that you want to add fragrance to. So if you want Dutrion, for example, to smell great, add it to your Dutrion. You probably won't need quite as much. So to mask OxyPrep, use 1 to 2 ounces per gallon. But you might find that a ½ ounce to a whole ounce of Dutrion is plenty for your Dutrion, okay? In products like Grease Gobbler, you may find a ½ ounce to an ounce is plenty for a Grease Gobbler. When you get into the Oxypar products, again, those aren't as strong smelling as OxyPrep, so a ½ ounce to an ounce per gallon is probably plenty, okay? So your mileage will vary, but just keep that in mind as you're working around the product. It comes in 8-ounce bottles just like this. Why? Because a little goes a long way. And in the past, we've known customers say, hey, if somebody spills it, we'd rather minimize the financial risk, right? Not that it's extremely expensive, but it's easy to pour, right? Just screw cap, 8 ounces. You might find that this is plenty for a 5-gallon pail of OxyPrep, which is originally why we were thinking the 8-ounce bottles, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. We'll have more beautiful labeling coming out in a couple of weeks, and it'll look just like everything else, but we wanted to go ahead and get it out there. Now, this is our first case going out the door right now. This is a 12-pack. It's also going to come in 6-packs. Those boxes are coming in right now. It's also going to come in as a 24-pack. There's a little bit of cost incentive one over the other. So if you look at cost per 8-ouncer, it's going to cost a little bit more in your 6-pack than in your 12 or in your 24. But nevertheless, it's going to come in 3 different sizes. But everything is going to be in these 8-ounce bottles. But this is a 12-pack, getting ready to ship right now to Jonathan Porter down in Gulf South. So there is the 12-pack going out the door. What else do I need to cover for this? Oh, the last thing about SorbAssist is that it does allow the products to penetrate both the substrate and soil load faster. So if you're looking for OxyPrep to penetrate, let's say, OSB faster to remove staining, or a really hard wood or something like that, engineered lumber, those sorts of things, then look to SorbAssist to help you out in any capacity. It'll help Oxypar penetrate the soil load faster. If you're doing degreasing, it'll allow Grease Gobbler to penetrate the grease or the soot if you're doing a fire job faster. So just keep all those things in mind. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us here. Everything shipping directly from Enviroguard HQ right now. We're getting everything out to the distributors, but don't hesitate to go onto the website, check out SorbAssist. Let us know if you have any questions, place your order online, and pair it with everything else that you're getting from us. As always, thanks so much for your support. Thanks for giving us direction to bring this great product to you, and we look forward to your feedback. Give us reviews. Let us know on the website what you think about it, what your technicians are experiencing, and what you think yourself or what your customers are saying. And don't be surprised if your customers start leaving you great Google reviews that say something like, not only did they do the work great and it was perfect, but it's so awesome when we got home as well. So thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.